Trevor Walters, Mike Brumfield, creator of the billboard that you see behind me. I'm also an author. I'd love to take this opportunity to ask you, would you give me a chance to answer your question in the special Where's Heaven 3 years ago? So nobody knew. Barb even laughed that nobody said what I think I know. Barb, heaven is 2 letters, 1 powerful word, up, space, the final frontier. Captain Kirk taught us all that, and yet we don't realize it today. Even in the face of ancient stories that live up in the sky, people live up in the sky, Barb, that's huge because it matches what we know we must do ourselves today to survive living on a dying planet. We've got to go up in the sky. There's my number. Would you please give me a call? This is the billboard, 3 years in the making. Show you I got YouTube videos. Barb, please give me this opportunity to answer your specialist question. I think heaven is up, space, the final frontier.